In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the oil filter on your Toyota. Quick, clean, and easy. Whether you're doing a full oil change or just swapping out the filter, this step is crucial for keeping your engine healthy. First, make sure the engine is cool and the car is parked on level ground. Pop the hood and remove the oil cap to let the oil drain smoothly. Then slide under the car and locate the oil filter, usually near the oil pan. Place a drain pan underneath, then use an oil filter wrench to unscrew the old filter. Be ready for some oil to spill. Once it's off, take your new oil filter and apply a thin layer of fresh oil to the rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal and makes removal easier next time. Screw the new filter on by hand. Don't over-tighten it. Once it's snug, you're done. Start the engine and check for leaks around the filter. If this video helped you learn how to change your Toyota's oil filter, hit like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thanks for watching.